In the beginning, it was a lot of folks were just feeling really anxious, didn't know what was going to happen, how was this shelter in place going to look like. They're worried about getting sick, and they're worried about their jobs.
We're already communities that are at a disadvantage to begin with, even without this crisis, right? So we're also left most vulnerable during the time of crisis. We're not at the top of priority list.
So we know that there's housing instability and food insecurity that will have a much more lasting impact after COVID-19 hopefully is resolved.
It's not enough to give to people who don't have. It's not enough to create and hand over resources. You have to help people figure out how to address their own systems and how to really work together to change the systemic ways in which people are not allowed access.
Right now, our young folks are reimagining what it means to put themselves first and to put their healing practices first, because our framework, how we see it, we know that healing and organizing go hand in hand. They're not separate things.
We want to see this moment as really essentially calling out a lot of the disparities and inequities that have existed in our system, and really build a rebuild that not only fixes what has created COVID-19, but also ensures that out of the rebuild, we really create a new economy that's based on caring.
That this is the moment that we really need to look forward to making some really lasting changes.
Like, I know it's definitely going to be hard, but our community just needs to stick together as a whole and overcome.
A just East Bay looks like one where our most vulnerable have not only access, voice, but power to affect change.